Did you know South American independence was secretly funded by Haiti? While history books credit Simon Bolivar as the liberator, they rarely mention his secret backer. President Alexandre Pétion of Haiti provided the ships, weapons, and gold that made it all possible. In 1816, when Bolivar was broke and defeated, Pétion gave him 7 ships loaded with weapons and 300 soldiers. The only condition? Abolish slavery in every territory you liberate. Pétion didn't stop there. He funded 3 more expeditions, sending thousands of rifles and chests of Haitian gold. This wasn't charity, it was strategy. Haiti knew that surrounding itself with free nations would protect its own freedom. The plan worked perfectly. Bolivar kept his promise, freeing slaves across Venezuela, Colombia, and beyond. Other revolutionary leaders heard about Haiti's support and came asking for help too. One by one, Spanish colonies fell like dominoes, all funded by Haitian gold. Haiti didn't just win its own independence, it bankrolled an entire continent's freedom, the true godfather of South American liberation.